Welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo.
Why do you always get to say the intro?
And
I'm Jillian.
I don't like that our filter fell off.
Well, it'll always fall off.
We are doing a collab with mintMONGOOSE. Today, we've done a collab with them 2 other months. This is our 3rd month. If you don't know what mintMONGOOSE is, it is a monthly jewelry subscription.
And it's $12 a month.
But if you use our code down below, which is Twitch, you can get your first box for $10, including shipping.
Plus, we don't get paid for any of this.
But they're nice enough to send it.
Yeah, I'm just saying
we're just sharing with you guys this company.
But you guys like my sweater too?
A couple things about mintMONGOOSE. They have
like it?
3 color options. Yes, everyone always comments about her great clothes. I just wear black in all of them. So you can pick between silver, gold, or rose gold. I think the ones that we picked today both were gold.
Gold, because we said we don't really like rose gold. We don't really like silver, so we just want gold this time.
So when you go to their website and you sign up for your subscription, it will tell you, do you have your ears pierced? Like, do you like earrings or watches?
Watches.
Stuff like that. And so then they'll send you it tailored if you don't want that stuff, or if you do. If you hear that rattle in the back, my mother is playing with Bea right now.
Our mother. Bo's mother.
Nana. Your new first box will ship within 48 hours of your purchase online. I'm trying to think. You can keep talking while I figure out the rest of the stuff to read.
I don't really have a lot to talk about right now.
They always ship their boxes on the 15th of the month. And then every 3 months you receive like an extra added gift, which could be a wallet or makeup or sunglasses. And then it's not, you don't have to commit to it like for the whole time.
Which
you can
is
skip
nice.
months. Yeah. So if you feel like you don't want it for the, November, and you want it again for December for gifts or stuff like that, you can skip it. I think it would be a really cool gift idea.
Yeah.
Like sign somebody up for it.
That'd be so fun.
It also says our subscribers receive 25 to 50% off of everything in their online shop. So you can go and shop if you don't want just like the stuff that they send to you that are already curated. Is that what it is?
That's such a good word.
Then you can go on their shop and actually just look at what you would want individually and purchase that. So
use code TWITCH
for your first box for $10.
WITCH. I haven't opened.
Comes like this, also in cute bubble. I always think it's kind of like Ipsy that we get, but the blue one.
You're right, because when Jordan brought it to me today, I thought it was Ipsy.
All right.
Isn't it Ipsy?
This is like a mongoose.
Isn't it Ipsy that if you fall off your subscription, you can like never get back on?
No, because I got off of it and I got back on.
I know, but it takes a while.
I got back on the next month. I think they trick you.
BoxyCharm does that too.
Why are we talking about other ones?
Ipsy is makeup.
Okay. Always comes with a Werther's original.
Ooh, I can't wait to eat
Julie
that.
loves those. And then her business card or their business card says thank you. And then all their socials are, you can follow them, I guess, on Instagram or Facebook, and then tag them mintMONGOOSE. So we'll tag them on
ready?
Instagram. Mother, you can't be loud. Hey, you gotta put our hearing aids in.
That's a lot for Mom. What are we doing first?
Taking off. I grab this one.
Okay.
So this is the packaging. Comes with the mongoose, and then I like her colors, like the teal mongoose, and then
it's obviously a mintMONGOOSE.
Yes, you're right. I'm sorry, mintMONGOOSE. You're right. How embarrassing. Okay, so again, we got it in gold. Ooh, this looks cool.
I love gold so much.
This looks like a necklace.
And it's like such a cute
Julie
gold.
can't
it's
get
not
hers.
Yellow. I'm gonna kill your mom.
Okay.
Whoa,
So this
whoa.
is a very intense
necklace. This is so cute.
This would be like if I was somebody fancy
Yeah.
with like a really dropped V-neck.
Yeah, that'd be so cute, but I'd never wear that.
I'm trying to show.
Look, Bo. Look at Bo.
This is cute. Okay, so it looks like this. It's like two
Look, Bo. I think
spikes.
there's a mongoose stapled on mine.
Stamped would be
Yeah.
the word, not stapled. Is it? It is, but you guys have such
Nice
attention
detailing.
to detail. Okay, so it looks like it is 18 inches. About 18 inches.
How can you just eyeball that?
Long, but don't you think?
I would play
little-
with these spikes like constantly.
The cat's over here and she really wants them. And then it's like two spikes dangling down from one pendant right here. That's really pretty though.
So pretty.
I like it. It does feel really nice too.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so that's one. I think that with the common theme I've noticed with the 2 months we've gotten it is the earrings always match
The necklace.
the necklace, right? But it comes with 3 things.
I like these earrings a lot. I'll put them in. Cat, stop looking at me.
Ooh, these are pretty. This is something that I definitely will wear because it's very like simple.
Yeah, I love simple.
I don't like a lot of. I used to like a ton of like really dangly stuff.
Look how cute that is.
That's really cute.
Guys, don't look at my nails. It's really
She
sad.
just cut them.
I just cut them all off. Wait, can they see them?
I have one backer, but I don't have another backer.
Oh, I don't have any backers. Why would I need one?
I don't know.
I never use the backers.
You never do?
Mm-mm.
I always do. Okay. So did you show them already? They look like. Did you? What do you call it at them?
No, I didn't. I didn't do that at all. Look how cute that is in my ear.
Look
They
like
want to
this.
see it in my ear.
That's so cute.
I love it. So
This
cute.
one might be my favorite set we've gotten
Maybe
so
I'll
far.
just wear it in one ear.
My favorite, like James Charles.
Oh, yeah. And Grayson.
Um,
He has a safety pin in his ear.
this is my favorite box we've gotten, except
For sure, because we like gold.
So I am a little always confused by the third piece.
It's right there, Bo. I need this because I just broke my bracelet.
That's my daughter in the
It
background.
was really upsetting.
Mine is now tangled forever in my hair. So
Oh, babe.
you want to be famous?
Babe, what are you talking about, girl?
Oh, wait, so this
This
is the
is
third.
the third one. Do, do, do.
Were you going to go do dicky do dicky do do do?
No, I
Mom's
wasn't
song.
going to. I don't know if I would wear this one. Maybe. It's a little bit edgier for me.
Edgier.
It's like a mixture between edgy.
Definitely like these more. That's
Yeah.
my opinion.
The earrings are my fave.
The earrings are
If I was fancier, I would like that necklace. If I could wear it with like a drop.
like super drop V
Yeah.
with your just chest showing.
But I have no boobs, so it would work on me.
It would work really well. Okay,
Yeah.
so these are my favorite. I think the earrings are my favorite.
No, the earrings are my favorite.
They're definitely my favorite too.
All right, that's it.
So just remember, if you would like to sign up and this is your first box, you've never done one with them before, just use the code TWITCH. We'll have it down below, and you can get your first box for $10.
And remember,
including
we're
shipping.
not getting paid for this.
No, we're just reviewing
We're just
it.
showing you the makeup or the.
Wow. They sell jewelry, except they did say every 3 months it could be makeup.
All right, thanks. Bye.